last several months, we've been working on a taped, original assistive device, otherwise known as Toad.
Toad, a 13-year-old girl with cerebral palsy. Due to her condition, she is unable to accomplish everyday tasks, such as controlling her music. For example, she desires to have more independence concerning her music by playing, pausing, etc.
To solve this problem, we designed a button speaker system. This system allows the user to control music through buttons, a speaker, and a home assistant.
Alexa, play previous song. Alexa, shuffle. Alexa, play next song. Alexa, volume up by 2.
This is the skip one. Okay. Yay!
Alexa, play next song.
Ooh.